Have you heard of the Section 8 housing program? If not, it'll take me only 30 seconds to explain it to you and another 30 seconds to show you how it can help you retire today. Real estate is a very straightforward business. It might seem boring, but that's exactly why it's one of the most secure and passive ways to create generational wealth. Let me show you how. What is Section 8? The Section 8 housing program is a U.S. federal government initiative that was created in 1974. It provides rental assistance to people who qualify, including, but not limited to, single mothers, disabled citizens, and elderly citizens. Here's why it works so well for landlords. Tenants wait on an average from 5 to 7 years to receive a Section 8 voucher, so they rarely ever leave. The government directly deposits rent into the landlord's bank account every single month. Wow, thank you, Uncle Sam. Most tenants sign a 2-year lease and stay in the property for an average of 8 to 10 years. This means recession-proof, guaranteed income no matter what's happening in the economy or the world. At Eagle Star Enterprise, we specialize in turnkey Section 8 properties in the Midwest states, where the purchase prices are low and the rents are high, meaning maximum cash flow. That's how we help you generate passive income from day one. The financials. Our Section 8 rental investments generate 10 to 12% ROI average on a yearly basis. Each property nets you anywhere from $500 to $700 per month after all of the expenses. Now, there's only 5 expenses when it comes to rental property: the property management, the insurance, the property tax, the water and sewage, and the finance payment. Our property payment ranges from $55,000 to $60,000, which includes your down payment amount, your closing costs, and all your acquisition fees. Now, how does seller financing work? We offer seller financing to make property ownership simple and accessible for all. Here's how it works. You pay a down payment of around, for example, $20,000. We finance the remaining balance for 30 years. Now, your property's cash flow covers the payments and all expenses, leaving you with monthly profits. For example, a fully renovated property costs around $100,000. Rents range anywhere from $1,200 to $1,300 per month, leaving you with a net cash flow of $500 to $700 per month. Why seller financing? Because there's no banks required. It's ideal for US non-citizens and for those avoiding traditional loans. We also offer a Sharia-compliant Islamic financing product. This is for our investors in the Muslim community across the globe who want to avoid traditional interest-based financing. This ensures scalability. Acquire more rental properties with minimal upfront capital. Just imagine owning 5 to 6 rental properties. You would be earning $2,000 to $3,000 per month in passive income. That's enough to comfortably retire anywhere in the eastern part of the world, in South America, in Europe, and enjoy financial freedom. Now, why Section 8? Guaranteed income. Rent is backed by the US government. Number 2, stable tenants. Long-term tenants with minimal turnover. And appreciating assets. You're building wealth while collecting the rent on a month-to-month basis. Now, let's deep dive into some frequently asked questions that I get asked on a day-to-day basis. The most question I get asked, and a very big controversial topic on social media and when we talk about Section 8, will tenants damage my property? This is the most frequently asked questions when it comes to Section 8 because there's a lot of controversy online. Now, let's put you in the tenant's shoes. If somebody is paying for the roof over you and your family's head on a month-to-month basis, will you do anything to fumble the bag? I don't think so. An added layer of protection is the local housing authority conducts yearly inspections to ensure the property is not damaged. Even if there is garbage on the property, they'll fail the inspection. What happens if the inspection fails? The tenant is forced to be evicted. Now, the reason why I bring this up is because you as an investor need to have the peace of mind of my property will not be damaged by my tenants. The yearly inspections, the properly screened tenants avoids this entire process. Next question. Will I receive rents consistently? Yes, rent is direct deposited by the US government every single month into your bank account as the landlord. Guaranteed. Now, what if I want to sell the property? Well, we offer a buyback option. If you decide to sell, we will repurchase your property, no strings attached. Why would we do that? Because we have a wait list of investors that want to purchase Section 8 properties. Think about it. US government-backed rents, cheap purchase prices, the highest ROI that you can see in North American real estate. Why wouldn't you want to invest? Bottom line, this isn't just about investing in real estate. It's about securing your future and, most importantly, your family's future. With Section 8 properties, you'll enjoy the following amenities: consistent, recession-proof income, long-term tenant and tenant stability, and most importantly, a scalable, cash-flowing portfolio which you can pass on to your kids one day. So, are you ready to start your journey towards financial freedom today? Let's book a consultation call for absolutely free and let me show you how I can help you retire with guaranteed rental income every single month. Eagle Star Enterprise, turning your dreams into reality through realty today. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.